Prime Minister Narendra Modi has declared that the strikes on terror hubs in Pakistan were not a one-time response, but a new national policy against terrorism. In his first address after Operation Sindoor, Prime Minister warned that Pakistan will have to get rid of its terrorist infrastructure if it wants to be saved. Speaking for 22 minutes, Prime Minister Modi unveiled what he called India's new normal in the fight against cross-border terrorism. Referring to the massive military response to the Pahalgam attack, the Prime Minister said India had merely paused its operations against Pakistan and future action would depend on Pakistan's behavior. He warned Islamabad that terror and talks cannot coexist. PM Modi said India had destroyed 11 military sites and air bases and eliminated over 100 terrorists in strikes that shocked the Pakistani military. Prime Minister said Pakistan contacted India in desperation after suffering heavy losses in the first 3 days of hostilities.
भारत के ड्रोन्स, भारत की मिसाइलों ने सटीकता के साथ हमला किया। पाकिस्तानी वायुसेना के उन एयरबेस को नुकसान पहुंचाया, जिस पर पाकिस्तान को बहुत घमंड था। भारत ने पहले 3 दिनों में ही पाकिस्तान को इतना तबाह कर दिया, जिसका उसे अंदाजा भी नहीं था।
Hitting out hard, Prime Minister Modi warned that nuclear deterrence would no longer shield terrorism. He said India would not bow to nuclear blackmail and made it clear that the responsibility to prevent escalation now lies with Islamabad.
कोई भी न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल भारत नहीं सहेगा।
The Prime Minister also delivered a stark message. If Pakistan wants to survive, it must demolish the terror infrastructure it has been feeding. He asserted that India will not differentiate terrorists and the government that supports them.
पहला, भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा। दूसरा, कोई भी न्यूक्लियर ब्लैकमेल भारत नहीं सहेगा। तीसरा, हम आतंक की सरपरस्त सरकार और आतंक के आकाओं को अलग अलग नहीं देखेंगे।
With India suspending the Indus Waters Treaty after the Pahalgam attack, Prime Minister Modi declared that water and blood cannot flow together. And when it comes to diplomacy, he stated unambiguously any future talks with Pakistan will be on terrorism and on Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, nothing else.
पाकिस्तान से बात होगी तो टेररिज्म पर ही होगी। अगर पाकिस्तान से बात होगी तो पाक ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर, पीओके, उस पर ही होगी।